Hey for my friends, it's me, Retired Shenanigans. I'm here with another one today. I'm gonna get my apron when I get ready to cook, but I just didn't put it on yet because I want to come in here and say thank you. Thank you to all my new, old, and future subscribers. And to get in here and say I appreciate all you guys. You know, when I don't know when you're gonna see my last video, but when you do, today I am at 524. Yay! We're going for 6. We're going for 6. So please subscribe. Please subscribe. Anyway, we're going to make a poor man's dinner today. We got us some corned beef, corn, and some rice. I'm going to cut up this onion. We're going to get it all in the pot, and we're going to be cooking. When I say poor man's dinner, I mean cheap. We're none of us poor. We're rich in everything we have. So let me rephrase the poor. We're going to make a cheap dinner. This was on sale at Walmart, maybe for $3. I hope you guys utilize y'all pantries in y'all neighborhoods where you live, because I do. Pantry corn. The onion even came from the pantry. And you know this diabetic rice, I had it for a long time. We're going to use it again today. So, come on back. We're going to be cooking. I'm going to get the onion cut up. We're going to put it all in the pan over there on the stove. And we will be cooking. Once again, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And please, don't forget to make it to the end of this video. Thank you. Okay, my friends, I'm here cutting up my onions. I got the water over there boiling for the rice. The corn ain't gonna take long to cook. So I'm just want to talk a minute. You know, I appreciate everything you guys are doing for me and my channel. I keep saying that because I do. Oh, I ain't got on my apron. Let me get my apron. Because we don't want to mess up. Boots on the ground. You don't want to mess up my boots on the ground, right? Here we go. Thank you, Carrie, again, for my apron. Tied Shenanigan. Okay. I lost my train of thought. Is that a senior moment or what? So all the onions are cut up, and we're going to get ready, and we're going to put them in the pan over there. I think the water's boiling for the rice too. Yep. So come on. We're going to go to the stove, and we're going to cook all this food up. And I'll think about what I was going to say, because right now I don't remember. Right, my friends, we're back. As you see, we washed off our rice. The water is boiling. We're going to drop it in here. I'm going to get us a spoon and stir it up. I'm going to get a top and put it on there. No top for the rice. But anyway, this is our other little pot here. We're going to put our corn in a little while. But we're going to cut on this pot here. We're going to bring this to a boil and then cut it down. This is the pot. And we're going to put the corned beef and onion. Alright. I cut up the onion. And we're going to put them in there. Alright. I'm going to let these get cooked a little bit before we put the corned beef in it. I really didn't need no grease because this got a lot of fat in it. But we're going to open it up. Let's open it right. We put the key and we turn it and we turn it. See how it caught? Because some people, I don't know how they do it. They mess it up. But, yeah. This is a cheap dinner. Rice. Even if we bought rice, you know, you can buy $1 a bag of rice. So 4, 5, and a can of corn is 60 cents. $5.60 is gonna feed the 3 of us. Well, 2 of us, cause my fiance, he doesn't like corned beef. So I'm gonna cook him a piece of chicken or something to go with his rice and corn. So, thank you again. We're making a quick, easy, simple dinner. I want to say thank you. Thank you guys again. I can't help but thank you because you guys are making it possible for me to do this. But, okay, I know y'all tired of it. Y'all tired of it. You can tell me if you're tired of it. But, you know, that's me. I'm very grateful for everything. So, I didn't go out today. I didn't go to the senior center. I didn't do nothing today. But you know, over the weekend, when you see this, today is Tuesday. I went out over the weekend. I went on a bus ride with my friends. We went to Nordic Lodge. If you are familiar with that, if you live in the New York area, Connecticut, Rhode Island, everybody knows what Nordic Lodge is. It's called the Nordic. Right? I went there this weekend. And then we went to the Foxwood Casino. Y'all know I lost some money. I ain't lose a lot, but I lost some because I had to gamble. So this is boiling. So I'm going to cut it down to a simmer. Right? So, you know, I had to gamble. But let me tell you about Nordic. That food was so good. I eat crab legs. I had crab legs, corn on the cob, baked potato, fried chicken, all that. No. So, it was a good day. All right? We'll come back. Okay, I'm back. The rice is cooking. We're going to pour our corn in here. We're going to get us some butter and some sugar and put it in there. This is cooking up. We're going to make this a little drier. I like it a little drier than this. So it's got a little bit to cook yet. But it's going to cook with the rice and corn. Because I'm going to get me some margarine right now. We're going to put some margarine in there. Y'all think I use a lot. I know. It's okay. But I was talking about Nordic. The reason I got a phone call. So I had to answer it. Oh, I tell you. People just don't leave me alone. People just don't leave me alone, I tell you. So, we got that in there. We got our rice cooking, we got that. I'm going to get my secret ingredient, my secret seasoning, and put in the corn. Because it's supposed to be sweet corn. That's enough. Don't put much. I have not put much. So, this is cooking all up. You see the rice is drying up. We're going to get this corn cooking. And we're going to get this finished. I'm going to put my pan, my little grill pan here. And I'm going to grill him a piece of chicken. You can see if you want. I'm not really showing you because it's seasoned from yesterday when I made my chicken sandwich. But he doesn't like corned beef, he says. So, you know what? His chicken gonna wait. Because my stove ain't gonna fit it. So, when I come back, guess who'll be tasting? It'll be me. I'll show you how everything look, and then I'll be tasting. Oh, okay, my friends. The rice is done. Corned beef is done. The corn will be done in a couple of minutes. And as you see, I started the chicken for my fiance. But I'm going to get ready to plate up my plate. We're going to taste it, and we're going to chat a minute. Not much. I'm just going to say thank you, as I do always. But come on, we're going to finish this video right now. All right, my friends, here we is, the final plate. I don't have much of everything because it makes a lot, because I'm going to mix it all together. But this is corned beef, rice, and corn. It's a cheap dinner. I was saying at the beginning, a poor man's dinner, because people are using that phrase, but I don't want to be poor in nothing. So we're going to say cheap, cheap. So we're going to mix it all up, and we're going to taste it. I'm going to put it down. I got to check my chicken over there. Y'all know I'm cooking my fiance some chicken. Give me a minute. Because he claimed he don't eat corned beef. So we're going to try to make him happy while we can. Even though, I'll tell you. But anyway, that's another story. But here it is, all mixed up. Corned beef, rice, and corn. Tasting good. I tasted a little bit while I was stirring it. So let's back up and taste it. So when you mix it up, you get a little bit of everything. This is good. This is really good. It's been a long time since I had this, so, you know, I'm trying to make different stuff on this platform, but you go back to the simple stuff, and they're delicious. So come on and make it. Corned beef, rice, and corn. You can't beat the price. Like I said, the corned beef probably was $4. The rice you can buy it in Walmart $1. The corn you can buy in Walmart for $1, say. But I got the corn from the pantry. But anyway, I'm going to set this down because I'm going to end this vlog right here. Because I think my chicken over here is burning. So, on that note, thank you if you made it to the end of this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Because you know what? Your girl is halfway home. We got to bring her to the finish line. We got to bring her to the finish line. But thank you. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.